Howard Marks has spoken about out of favor investments. What is out of favor investments? What does he mean by that? Let's take a look. Welcome back to Be Rich. The US billionaire who invests in distressed debt has recently said, while stock markets have rebounded, stocks do not offer a great return on investment. There is a class of investment which is giving great returns. These companies are called what has he called as out of favor investments. These are investments which nobody is interested in and which are beaten down and can be bought at very cheap valuations. What does he mean by this? He is talking about real estate which is struggling with debt because today in this pandemic everybody is talking of work from home. Nobody is visiting retail. All shops are shut. No retail mall is generating any revenue, and therefore the price of all retail assets, that is malls and office complexes, IT complexes, have crashed. This means that people like Howard Marks can use debt as a strategy to get in and buy these stocks, buy these assets very cheap. Recently, Howard Marks did a deal with India Bulls Finance Company. What he did is he's agreed to finance for a developer for $200 million. What does he mean by that? He will take over the loan from India Bulls and pay India Bulls $200 million, which is basically a $300 million loan he is purchasing for 200 million. So he has already made a 33% profit. If the developer pays fully, he's made a 33% profit. The developer has to pay back 300 million with interest. The security, the building which the developer has developed is pledged to Marks. In case Marks or his investment vehicle, Oaktree Capital. If the developer does not repay Oak Tree Capital will swallow the retail assets of the developer and also take a stake in India Bulls Housing Finance. So basically, what he is doing is he is getting two bites of the same cherry. In case the developer defaults, he gets to keep the assets of the developer plus some stake in the parent company, India Bull Housing. Desperate call times means desperate ways to raise money. Financiers of real estate are desperate to raise cash. They are in distressed debt. Men like Howard Marks are willing to swoop like vultures. It is pertinent to note Howard Marks is one of the main persons bidding for DHFL's assets. He wants to come like a vulture and may buy if for every pay 50 cents for every dollar of assets in DHFL in the resolution plan. Let's wait and watch what happens. Thank you for watching Be Rich. Thank you for supporting Be Rich. If you like this video, hit the like button, press the subscribe button of my channel, and turn on the bell notification. If you use Kindle, you can buy the Kindle version of my book. If you insist on a hard copy, you can send a message to the WhatsApp number given below, and my team will get in touch with you. At the very end, if you want to speak to me directly, send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. Do not forget to forward this video to your friends and relatives and persuade them to subscribe. Thank you for your support.